All right, good evening. I'm going to start a presentation on Sei Orcinus. Now, this repo, and Sei Orcinus is actually an agentic API, an MCP server for Sei blockchain, which we use for token analytics, education market analytics, and also fetching on-chain data. So I will move to the practical. But meanwhile, these are Git repo and these are an overview of what we do and how to run Sei Orcinus. Now, Sei Orcinus uses Alchemy API key and Gemini API key, so it's integrated with Alchemy and Google Gemini. Yes, so right now, this is the code base. These are code base Sei Orcinus. As you can see, we have the knowledge base, we have the public folder, then we have the main Rust folder, which have like four folders: the agent, the connection folder, then the service folder, and the tool folder. So these are how the codes are structured for each folder. You can head to README from to view a comprehensive overview of our folder, of how our folder is structured. Now I'll quickly move to the architecture of Sei Orcinus. So this is our architecture. This is the architecture of Sei Orcinus. This is actually an action API which gets requests from users, then routes those requests to the processing agent, which uses knowledge base from Google Gemini to process the message, making um, calls, which can be on-chain tool call or off-chain tool call. Then the response of the message is now processed and given back to the user. Um, so as you can see, these are the explanations of some some key points you might not get in the architecture. So I'll head to test Sei Orcinus on our Postman. So this is Postman, or this is one of the last prompts. Okay, so it says greetings agent initially prove rules. So it actually analyzes the ERC, the NFT wallet. Now I'm going to write another message to Sei Orcinus, like what is the current price of Sei token and Bitcoin, also at Ethereum. So Sei Orcinus API, agentic API actually processes the multiple requests in parallel and fetches the data. So as you can see, it returns the current market price of say Bitcoin and Ethereum. So that's the end of our test for Postman on Postman. So we'll head to our Telegram bot. These are Telegram agents. So we are going to run our Telegram agent. Meanwhile, I'm going to head to the browser to show you my student ID directly in my school portal. So this is actually my school portal. My name is Ekma Basimati Nkanga, and this is a program. I'm actually a current student at the University of Uyo. These are my results. this is my folder, this is my reg number. Meanwhile, as we wait for the Telegram agents to load, okay, I'll head to, as you can see, the log report coming out from here from our MCP server we run, which is built natively with Rust. If you check our Git repo, it's actually 100% Rust. So I'm going to kill the process. These are MCP server built with Rust. So I'm going to kill the process, and then we'll head to the Telegram agents. So as you can see, Adlerium agent gives us error because we deploy the API, our former agentic API. So I'm going to get our API token, our API to swap on the function. Now this API can be taken down anytime just for test, but it's actually an API deployed by the server. So I'll head to Sei Orcinus, but I will run the command, how are you doing? And you tell me okay. I think there is a bug somewhere. It's actually a live test. Okay, it's working. So I'll actually go to the Sei Explorer. I'll pick any wallet address on Sei. Now your normal your normal Sei Explorer takes in one address at a time, but Sei Orcinus can process different different address at a time. So I'm going to copy this contract. So find out on this as well. So I can see that my query is very dynamic. Give the details of the tokens of the address. See, it gives the detail of the address, the total supply, the name of each address, and the total supply. So I will close the bot. So you can see it's fetch those data at once in parallel and process everything and get results. So you can see the normal say string, Explorer can't handle multiple address. So which means there is a good use case for Sei Optimus and for Sei Orcinus in integrating with explorers. It makes life easy for users. So that is the end of my video, and these are Git repo. Thank you.